Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to be working on vowel sounds, and Baby Echo is here to help me. Let's start with A. A, apple, A. A, safe, A. E, ed, E, Pete, E. I, itch, I, pine, I. O, octopus, O, home, O. U, up, U, mule, U, rule, oo. Good job. This week we are going to be focusing on the letter O, how it sounds in home. Remember, King E is at the end of the word and makes O say its name. O. Here we go. These are your spelling words for the week. We're going to practice them together. All of the O's are in red because that's our focus. And all of the King E's are in blue because all of the words end with a King E, except our trick words. Here we go. Remember, all of the words have an O, and all of them have a King E at the end. The first word is home. What do you hear at the beginning of home? O, What letter do you hear here? M. That's right. H-O-M-E spells home. The next word is hope. Hope and home start the same. So H and O are going to stay there. We'll take M out and put a P. H-O-P. Hope. H-O-P. Good. The next one is road. Road. What do you hear at the beginning of road? If you said R, you're right. R-O-D-D-D. D-D-D. D. Road. R-O-D-E spells road. The next one is woke. What do you hear at the beginning? W. That's right. O. If you said the letter K, you're right. W-O-K-E. Woke. How about, the next one, those. Those has a digraph at the beginning. Do you remember what a digraph was? A digraph is two letters that make a sound together. T-H, thumb, O-S, S, and bossy E at the end. O's, those. Good job. The next one is bone. B-b-b. What letter do you hear at the beginning? B. B-O-N. Bone. B-O-N-E spells bone. The next word is joke. Joke rhymes with another word that we've already done. J at the beginning. J-O-K-K-K. Do you remember what word we've already done that sounds like that? That's right, woke. Woke and joke rhyme. They end the same. J-O-K. Joke. J-O-K-E. The next one has a blend at the beginning. A blend is two letters that make a sound together. The next word is stone. S-T. St. St. Make the st sound in st. O. Don't forget our O. St. O. N. That's right. Stone. S-T-O-N-E. Stone. Rhymes with bone. That's right. Stone and bone rhyme. All right, now for the trick words. Our first trick word also has a blend. Brown. B-er, b-er. What two letters make brr, like when you're cold? B-R, that's right. Brr. Ow. Vowel teams. O-W. Ow. Brr. Ow. Brown, like on our crayon. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. Good job. And the last one is sleep. Sleep. Again, a blend at the beginning. What do you hear? S-L. That's right. Together they are a team. Sl. And then vowel team. E-E. Like in Jeep. Jeep and sleep. Hey, they rhyme too. Sl-E. What do you hear at the end? A P. You're right. Sleep. Sleep. Great job. Have a great day.